If this breaks 244.76, the next pull is to 244.50. And then we're looking at the 243.97, right? Which is, by the way, 244, but we want it to go below it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's it. This is exactly, there it goes. There's your pull. Now you're through 244.76. Boom. Now you are through your 244.50. Boom. Now we're moving to 243.97. That is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom, boom, boom.
It's going to be off by a couple cents because we're at $244. So right, oh, there goes Jimmy. You got a break. Now right here. Everybody, if you were holding on to these, right, we could take some off the table waiting for a re-add below 244 because 244 is a hard support. Now let me redraw this so you guys can see how much farther we need to go out and what it's going to look like. But didn't we say this right here? 243.97. We called it before it got there, right? Now hold on, it's breaking through, but I got to give you new. It's going faster than I can get there. It's gone. I mean, this thing could gap way down, Jimmy.
Well, let's go.
Yeah, we've got oh my gosh, 243.32.
So now it's going to go create another channel here, in my guess. I mean,
that is correct.
I act like I know exactly what I'm talking
about.
No,
it is. I just marked.
People that don't know me, I sometimes throw things out that.
Get out of here.
Here's another channel to go stair step down. It's not just going to drop significantly.
Right. I've got a mark.
Creates another channel here at 243.50 again.
Here's the next levels I got, Jimmy.
What do you got?
243.81, 243.32. And 242.86.
I love it. That's incredible.
Yep. And just, of course, be careful every $0.50, right? Every 245.50, like every 50 cents, of course, that's normal.
That's where I'm at, is 243.50 here. Break this sucker.
Yep. And then you should move to 243.32 if it can break 50. And then you got to move to 242.86. By the way, Jimmy, now we're moving down to, it already hit 242.86. Yeah, it touched at 243, which is a whole number. So we got to watch for that. And look at you guys on SPY. I had it marked at 447.14 on my screen before it got here. And guess where it stopped? I didn't even mark this from today. It's from previous. Look, if that breaks through, you're looking at 447 for SPY on the next level. Tesla, you're looking for the break of 242.86. SPY's crashing here. Crap, I just missed it. By the way, please tell me you guys are all making all this money.
Yeah, coach, you said it.
Thank you. I've been training instead of trading, so I hope to God. And look at that, Jimmy. Look at it stop, Jimmy, right at 86.
Break it.
There goes SPY, still continuing to crash. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the biggest payday some of you will ever have in your lives right now.
I'm printing, coach. Thank you, man.
You're welcome. By the way, I didn't make any of those trades, but I am up $6,000 today, which is 22% on the account, just making a couple of small trades. I could have made all this, but I walked you guys through the whole thing, right? There is your SPY. It touched exactly at 446.93. Tesla touched exactly at 242.86. They're both marked on my screens. You can see exactly where they did it, waiting for each one to make the next move. By the way, you on SPY, you've got the next resistance 446.26 and a hard resistance at 446.15. Be careful.